The Monkey and the Crocodile. There once lived a crocodile in a river. On one bank of the river was an apple tree. One morning, the crocodile was longingly looking at a juicy apple. "I wish I could eat that," he thought aloud. Just then, a monkey appeared, plucked the apple, and threw it at the crocodile. They soon became good friends. Seeing their friendship, the crocodile's wife got jealous. She told him, "The heart of a monkey who eats such sweet and juicy apples would be so sweet. I want to eat his heart." The crocodile tried to convince his wife, but in vain. Finally, he went to the monkey and said, "Come, friend, let me take you for a ride." The monkey happily hopped on. In the middle of the river, the crocodile told him the entire story. "Oh," the monkey exclaimed, "you should have told me earlier. I left my heart on the tree." The foolish crocodile took the monkey back. The monkey jumped on the tree and never spoke to the crocodile again. Moral of the story: friendship is all about trust.